Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a collab. I was invited by Omneyas Wish to do our 12 fall inspired polish favorites. I'm going to use mostly older polishes, so many of these may or may not be available. I'm going to go ahead and just apologize up front, but the thing about it is if you pay attention to polish trends, you will notice that even though you may not find exactly this color with this name by this company, you're going to find a very similar polish. You may want to look in your stash and see if you have something that's practically just like it. So the deal is you could only pick up to 2 per brand. You couldn't just go like all out one brand. And you could mix it up. You could do indies and mainstream. I'm going to do mostly mainstream. I have 4 indies that I'm going to include, but we're just going to hop right on into it. My first 2 are from OPI, and this is from that designer series. And this one is called DS Indulgence. Look at that. Fire in a bottle. And there's a swatch photo for that one. Gorgeous. I love this one. The second one I have here is also by OPI, and the name is perfect. Every month is Oktoberfest, and look at that. Oh my. And here it is on my swatch wheel. Might be better if I hold it like skin tone, but it's got like, it's a dark purple, but it's got like a maroon or red like shimmer in it. Oh, it's just to die for. The next one I have here is from China Glaze. It's got ugly bottle syndrome, so it's been around a minute. And this one's called Well Trained. Very ugly bottle syndrome. But it's a dusty, like dark teal. It's got more blue in it, and I really love that. Excellent for a fall manicure. This next one is also from China Glaze, and this one is called Brownstone. And I love that. Love, love, love it. It's so pretty. Okay, and the next 2 I have are from the Kiss Gel Strong polishes, and I had to throw a purple in here. I mean, like a straight up purple. And this is called Debut. Look at that. It's like a blurple, but it's more purple. But on camera, it's totally looking blue. Polishes that are tricky. Maybe that ought to be a thing. This next one is also by Kiss, and it's called Pita Pat, and it's a nice dusty gray, like a medium tone gray. And, I could so see like fall leaves stamped over that. I have a couple from Zoya that I love for this time of year, and this one is called Lisa, and it's a shimmery red. It's got like a copper shimmer in it. Ugh, gorgeous. And this next one here is, it was like crazy on Instagram and YouTube last year. Look at that. I mean, that's just like funky looking. But on the nail, it looks so different. Look at that. It's just, is it blue? Is it green? What is that? And this one is Oliveira. Get it turned around. Oliveira. Not acting nice today. And then we're going to head on into my indies. I just picked 4. I could have gone indie crazy, but I wanted to show some love to some of the mainstream polishes. This one's one my friend sent me, and this is from KB Shimmer, and this one is called You Oughta Know. And if this one didn't make the cut, I don't know what would. Look at that. It's acrylic just filled with autumn right there. That's gorgeous. I got lucky. And a friend sent me this one too. Miss Debbie from Sister Chic sent me this one. And this one's from Dreamland, and it's called What Big Eyes You Have. Didn't that just like pick up on everything fall? Oh my goodness. So pretty. And then Sister Chic, this is a new one in my collection. This one's called The Pumpkins Are Coming. Now this one stole my heart when I swatched it for the Oops video. Look at that butternut squash color. I mean, see, I know a lot of people look at a color like that and they think, ugh. But I see so many possibilities with that color. It's just, to me, that is such a nice fall shade. And the last one was a gift that I got in with my last IMK order. Karen threw this in. I guess I bought enough. And she threw in an extra. This one is called 27 July 18. And it's Weinschlager. Can you see that? But it's got some funky little chrome flakies going on in there, and I just think that's gonna be lovely. So look at that. Got those flakies just sneaking out at you. So those are my 12 picks for fall. I'm gonna actually leave these all sitting out and see if I can push through and do some manicures with them. I will leave a link to anyone I have that's doing this. I will leave a link for them down below. Definitely my buddy Omneya. And you need to go check out hers and see what her video, I can't wait to see what she's got picked out. So I will have a link for her down below, and anyone else, if I find out other people have joined this, I will definitely throw them in there too. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know some of your favorite polishes to wear for fall. They might be in my collection. I might need to pull them out. So let me know what you're thinking about this year. So until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.